Hey guys, it is Tuesday here in West Virginia, and as promised, we're doing a 2 for Tuesday today, and this is January 2nd, the second day of the new year of 2024. Yeah, I'll stop doing that after a while. It's just hard to believe it's already 2024. That's why I'm pointing it out again today. So today we're taking a look at a pair of 97 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am WS6s. This is the last year for the LT1 in these 4th gen Trans Ams. It's actually the last of the Firebirds. I think they ran them into 2002 and 98. They started running the LS1. And 97, I think, was the first year for the LS1. It appeared in the Corvette, but they did not put it in the F-bodies. They waited until the following year and then put them in the F-body. So this is a really cool looking car, and there's some fun facts here about these cars. And this is one thing I did not know, is the front fenders of the 97 Firebird TA WS6 were plastic to save weight. That's kind of cool. I know a lot of parts on those 90s cars were plastic, but I just figured these were metal. I did not know they ran plastic to save weight on the WS6 package. So I guess it was a WS6 only thing. I don't think it was on the standard Firebirds and Trans Ams. So the optional WS6 package increased horsepower of a TA from 285 to 305 and bumped the torque from 325 to 335. So that's a pretty good increase. I know the WS6 is ram air, and I don't know, I think they changed the cam, and maybe the heads were a little different. I'm not sure. But I know it was the ram air, hence the WS6 hood with the ram air intake. And the color of this one is black, and they did a very good job of kind of making replicas of the wheels in 164 and such. It looks pretty good. Let's get this guy opened up. I have not opened this yet. This will be the first time of opening these, and these are limited to 18,056, and this, I believe, is the Auto World casting. And when round 2 got Johnny Lightning, they started doing like hybrids of these guys, where Johnny Lightning has Auto World castings, and Auto World is like using Johnny Lightning trailers. That's like the trailers you see for Auto World. Those are probably Johnny Lightnings. Actually, I know they are. So anyways, this is a very nice looking car and such. And I don't remember Johnny Lightning having a 4th gen Pontiac. They may have. I'm just not 100% sure. As you can see, that ram air intake on the front of the hood, which is really cool. The ram air on this, when you pop the hood of these, it looked like a small radiator on top of the engine. The air filter and the ram air and such was really cool. It fit snugly up in the hood and actually was functional, not just for looks. Looks good with this Firebird Trans Am flaming pigeon on the front of the nose here, and detailed marker lights. And you can see that they put the T-tops in a flat black. That's kind of cool. So it kind of separates them from the rest of the vehicle. And as I said, the wheels and tires are very nicely done on this. They kind of mimic the real one-to-one car very well. Nice detail on the tail lights and such. And then the wing is really nicely done. It's correct. I'm trying to see what they have on the plate here. Just WS6. That's pretty cool. And then the WS6 emblem on the bumper. And then you have your exhaust cutouts in the bumper with the exhaust tips exiting. So that's very nicely done, actually. Very nice looking car. And if anybody is looking for a set of these new on the card, I have a set available on eBay. If you're looking, check out my eBay store. The link is in the description of this video. So anyways, I'm moving along to our well, I did this ass backwards. That was version B we just looked at. So this is version A. And this is in bright red. and I figured they would have something better for the name. And I do like the red better because it just have more details. The details are kind of highlighted a little better. So this is the first time Johnny Lightning has released this newly tooled casting as a 97 model year. Under contract, the GM SLP Street Legal Performance built the ram air induction system for the WS6. Pretty cool to know. So let's get him open up. And this is another one I have not opened. And as I said, these open fairly nice. These ones, the Johnny Lightnings, the newer Johnny Lightnings, and the Auto Worlds, they open nice enough where you could actually put the car back in the package and display it carded if you wanted to instead of loose. So that's kind of a cool option for guys that do both. And such. So as I said, this does have nice details on it because you can see the emblem on the bottom of the door, detailed door handles and such, and then there's the bird, and then you can see the ram air on the side of the hood scoops here. So very cool looking car. I think I like the red one the best. In my opinion, it just looks really good and such. So, detailed tail lights, backup lights, and such. And there's another bird back there on the rear tail panel. So, very nice car. And I didn't show you the base of the other one, but I mean, they're the same exact thing. But, so they're nicely detailed. With the exhaust, suspension, bottom of the engine and stuff. That's why I'm saying this has to be the Auto World one. I'll bring out an Auto World and check it out here because I do have, I think it's a 93 Firebird, which it would be pretty much the same body style and such, and check it out and see if it's the same car. I'm pretty sure it would be. That's like the 91 Camaros that I have that I'm going to unbox in a week or two for you guys on a Tuesday. They look just like the Auto World casting, and they probably are because I remember the Johnny Lightning 4th Gen Camaro. They had, the 3rd Gen Camaro had flat fenders. It just didn't look right on the front fender. But these ones look very nice, just like the Auto World one. So we'll take a look at those and I'll point that out to you guys whenever we get them out for an unboxing video. So there are our 2 ponchos, and that is it for today, guys. I'll be back again probably tomorrow or Thursday with another video, and we'll still do our weekly Free Friday thing. Not sure, as I said, things are starting to stack up, so we're gonna have some stuff to look at here for at least the first couple of weeks of this new year. We'll be cranking out the videos and such for you. So be sure to turn on your little reminder bell. Whenever I launch a video, you'll get a notification. So thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy your new year. Hopefully everything's going good for all of you, and I will see you again tomorrow or Thursday.